These kind of AI images, golden boy or golden girl, have been trending on social media where you add your name and this can be created in just one tap. This can be done for male and female audiences. Plus, you can also create wall arts for your YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat profile pictures using the prompt which I'll provide in this video. So if you want to create these types of unique AI images, then keep watching and I'll show you how. So first of all, you'll need a secret prompt. The prompt will tell the AI generator what to create. You can find this in the description box of this video. There is a Google Doc link which I've pasted the prompt in. So when you visit this document, you have a choice of choosing between a male or a female character. Plus you have the option of choosing what group age as well. I have it ranging from kid to an old person. So the top part is the male section while the bottom part is a female section. Go ahead and select the one you like and copy it. Next, on your mobile phone, you'll need to visit the Bing AI image generator. So open Safari or an internet browser, search in Google Bing image creator. Now click on the first link in the search results. Once you're here on this page, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one as it's completely free. Now go ahead and paste the prompt that you copied from that Google Doc link which I've shared with you earlier. In this prompt, you'll need to change two words. The first one is the name. So instead of the simple dad, go ahead and add your name. Next, you want to change the social media platform which you're creating it for. So instead of YouTube, change it to Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat. Now, if you want to change any other details like changing the age, you can go ahead and do that as well. Now, once you're ready, go ahead and tap on Create. Wait for a few seconds, and then you'll get the results down below with all the images. Go ahead and tap on any of them and browse through them to review it. Each time you get 4 images created, so you get a variety of AI images. To save these, simply long press on it and save it to your camera roll. And there you go, it is that simple to create these types of 3D golden boy and golden girl AI images from your phone. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.